From global markets to local economies, we've got the financial news you need. Brought to you by TMGM.
Good morning and thank you for joining us for Tuesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
The dollar index was lower after US President Donald Trump paused new tariffs on Mexico for 1 month after the country agreed to reinforce its northern border with 10,000 National Guard members to stem the flow of illegal drugs, Trump said. US manufacturing grew for the first time in more than 2 years in January, but recovery was likely to be short-lived after President Donald Trump imposed tariffs on goods from Canada, Mexico and China at the weekend, which will potentially further raise raw material prices and smart supply chains. Wall Street's main indexes pared losses as US President Donald Trump delayed new tariffs on Mexico after his orders to levy steep tariffs on 3 countries sparked a global scramble to safe haven assets earlier in the day.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
The economic calendar in the coming days is rich with data releases that could impact the market. High-impact events will be especially significant, but even moderate and low-impact updates can add to the bigger picture of economic trends. These key data releases may set the stage for market movement. Investors should plan for possible volatility, ensuring strategies are adaptable and informed.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.